Yes, Sparrows, let's going to continue with our maths learning. We were looking at thirds. We were looking at fractions. So we saw that a fraction needs to be split equally. And to represent it, and remember that my equally, I always say it, it's not that equal, just ignore it. And then to represent it, you just write a line, and on the bottom you write the number of how many equal parts are 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you shade them, and then you write on the top the number of how many are shaded. For example, I shade 1, 2, and 3, and that will be 3/4. Okay, so you were yesterday working on trying to get 3/4. Today we are going to do the same as we've been doing when we've been learning a different fraction. So today we are going to find 3/4 of an object. So for example, it's really easy, we've been doing it, so you should be really good at it. Let's going to do it. So for example, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 chocolate coins, and I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 equal parts. And I'm going to share my 12 chocolate coins into my 4 equal parts, and then after I will try to find what do I get, okay, on each equal part. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So I have shared equally my 12 chocolate coins between 4 equal parts. So I have, whoa, let's see. So if I get 1/4 of 12 equal parts of 12 objects, so I divide it into 4 equal parts, and I want to know what do I get if I get 1/4. So if I get only 1/4, how many will I get? Shall we count them? Ready? 1, 2, and 3. So I know that 1/4 of 12 is 3. Now what about if I want to find 2/4 of my 12 objects? They've been shared equally in my 4 equal parts. Sorry, remember that they need to be shared the same quantity on each equal part. 3, 3, 3, and 3. And I'm going to get 2/4 of 12. That's 1/4, so I need to get 2 equal parts. 1 and 2. Shall we count them? I'm going to make them again so you can see them clear. 1, 2, and 3. Let's going to count them then. I need to count how many are in 2 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. And today that is what you are going to do. You're going to be looking at how many have you got if you get them from 3/4. Let's go back. There we go. So from 3/4, I have 1, 2, and I need another one to make my 3/4. 3 out of 4 equal parts. Okay, I'm just going to circle them again so you can see them clear. What is 3/4 of 12? Of my 12 coins that I have shared equally, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3/4 of 12 is 9. So your work today is going to be knowing how much will you get, how many will you get if you divide something into quarters, 4 equal parts, and you get 3 of them, okay? So maybe, for example, you're going to have, let's going to say 8. You have 8, let's going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you want to know how many is 3/4. So how many are in there? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you know that 3/4 of 8 equals 6. We're going so quick on this, and then it's just finished now the lesson because we've been doing it with 1/3, 2/4, and now it's the same with 3/4. So you should be really good at it, okay? Have a go, and if you need any help, just message me. Adios!